I made a little progress last night, but I really like the color so much better. I just think it looks a little happier and brighter and a little more fun. You know, that's what we're going for, it's fun. I'm running Layla actually to daycare today, which I am just like really struggling with. She went last year pretty regularly actually with Winston, and it was great, and I was able to get things done and I felt good about it. I don't know, this year I'm like, I was gonna take her last week when the other kids started school, and I just couldn't, and today I'm like trying to find every excuse not to, but she wants to go so bad. She loves it. She just loves seeing the other kids, of course, and she has always just really enjoyed going. So I told her I would take her. Like, fine. I even was, this is not what you should do, but I was even like, do you want to go or do you want to stay with mommy? She's like, I want to go. We put the comb back on Rosie because last night her eye didn't look great. We watched her close yesterday, huh? We watched her so close, and she wasn't messing with her face. And then last night I noticed that her eye was like a little red, and I was like, we're putting it, and it's not now. Yeah, it looks a lot better now, huh? Anyways, I didn't want to take any chances, and I just thought maybe she's getting to it when we're not looking somehow. I mean, we were all just like on her yesterday, but I let her out to go to the bathroom last night before I put her in her kennel, and when she came in from that, her eye looked red. The rest of the time it was great. Like, Braylee had came up right before then and said how good her eye looked because I was working upstairs, and then I let her out. I didn't notice any redness or her even bothering her eye. She came back in, and I don't know, I just let her out to go potty. I don't know. Gosh dang. I don't know. Anyways, we're gonna go. Are you so excited to go play with your friends? Yeah, you can have that. Are you so excited, sis?
I'm nervous.
You are not. Look at these hairs. These hairs look nervous. Are these hairs nervous? Did you see your pokey up hairs? And then Winston will go to school in just a little while, huh?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. I just dropped Layla off, and she was kind of hesitant at first. I think she forgot. Well, what happened was I dropped her off and there were kids playing outside, and I thought it was her class and it wasn't, and so then she wanted to play outside but she couldn't. So that was my fault. But then they were playing with Play-Doh, so she was all about that. Now Winston and I are running in to grab Braylee some snacks because she has to take snacks to cheer and to get a few after school snacks. We really need some groceries at my house. I like to order my groceries online because then I get everything that I need, but I keep putting it off. So we're gonna grab some after school snacks. What do you think sounds good for after school snacks?
I don't know.
You want to look and see?
Yeah.
And then also get Winston something for lunch, huh?
Yeah.
And I think Braylee's coming home for lunch too. Gotta tie up these shoes. Are you loving school so much?
Yeah. I got a new friend.
Mm-hmm. Do you love learning?
Yeah.
When I just took Layla, as I said, and Winston's preschool teachers were asking me how he was doing, and I said great, and they said, of course he is. He's so smart. Winston is really good at school. Anyways,
Of course I went to school. I was so nervous.
I know. That's okay. It's okay to be nervous.
And I have found the penny.
Oh my gosh, you're buying. I just pulled in from dropping Winston off, and I just automatically was like getting ready to go and get Layla, and I was like, I'm alone, and I don't like it. Oh man, I was not expecting to feel like this because last year, honestly, daycare saved my sanity, and this year, I don't know if it's because Winston started school and it just seems like so insane that he's already in school now forever or what, but it makes me want to just turn around and go and get her, but I'm sure she's having so much fun. Anyways, I do have to need to get some stuff done. I need to get some editing done, and I have some craft videos that I have one craft video that I need to edit, and then one that I just need to get ready to upload next week. So anyways, I do have things that I need to do. I just think that maybe I'm having a hard time too because Layla really is so easy to just like have her hanging out with me. But I keep telling myself like, this is good for her. She loves playing. It's way better than her just like watching YouTube videos or just, you know, I don't know. I'm just sad. Anyways, I'm gonna unload the groceries, and actually Braylee should be here anytime, which is nice. I'll see Braylee. I don't know what is happening. And really Winston's only gone for a couple of hours, so I'm not gonna get like a ton done before I need to go and get him, but it's just crazy. Someone had the best day playing with her friends, huh? We had to run to Walmart, like you saw in the car, and Winston found these on it, and are these frozen cheeses? Cheese strips? Yeah. Are you so happy about that? Winston's so cute. Because Layla likes Frozen right now. So anything he sees, he's like, we have to get this for Layla. You know you have a dirty face. She was playing outside with the boys. Yeah. Do you want me to open one? She's been obsessed with Bo Peep cheese, which is the Baby Bell, but it has Toy Story on them. I got one more thing that has Anna and Elsa. It's a little fruit snack, a little treat. Do you want to see? Yeah. So easy to please. Did you have fun playing with your friends? Oh, who's that? Anna. You were Anna this morning, huh? Yeah.
Yeah, Anna.
Mm-hmm.
Anna right there.
Yeah.
Anna.
Should we go show the boys? The boys have been making little scooter ramps. Elsa! Should we go show the boys ramps?
Yeah.
It's pretty cute. The cute thing is that Gage has been into this for a while, and Winston has watched him. And so even when like Gage is at school, he'll go out and make these little ramps by himself. So cute. Okay, we're gonna figure out what cheese to pick, because how do you choose between Anna and Elsa? I don't know. Which one are you gonna eat?
Anna.
You're gonna eat two?
Yeah.
No, just one.
No, Anna. Two.
You want two? Okay. She wins every time. Do you win every time? Huh? Do you win every time? Oh, the sun's setting. We have the prettiest sunsets here. I think there are pretty sunsets everywhere, but I love the sun setting. So we need to go outside and watch the sunset. So it looks beautiful. You want to swing? We need to get swing sets. Oh, the clouds are pretty. Let's go out there. How beautiful does that sky look? Holy moly. I love when the clouds look like that. So pretty. That noise scaring you? She scares easily, which makes me feel bad for her, but also it's kind of nice because she's cautious of her surroundings. Here it is. Here's the ramp.
Ready?
Yep. Woo! Nice.
I just put this cord right here. That was my first time testing it out.
Nice. Let's watch Gager. Woo! Good.
Oh,
Here he goes. Woo! Close. Hey, dude.
Hi. All day.
Hey, you guys. You need to clean this up before you come in.
You're gonna be for Halloween, Layla? You have me. You have me. My Halloween drawing is you have me. What are you gonna be for Halloween?
It's looking much better out here. We swept up and cleaned up the garbage. Woo! Good job. You're eating all the cheese all gone? Good girl. Okay, let's go in.